Good morning, everyone. Now it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Actually, I'm going to get my second dose of vaccine shot, which means that I can ride again. Woohoo! Oh, look at how bright is this. So actually, yeah, since I'm riding, so there are actually a few things that I want to talk about, which is, as you can see at the topic or the title of this video, is things that KTM should improve. Alright, let me explain why. So these are actually basically the pros and cons of Duke 390 lah. Because it was in my mind for, I can't stop thinking about it. Then so yeah, might as well make a video of it. And also, one of the ways to share to you all a user experience of some of these issues from what I think it's not really a big issue, but yeah, something that they can improve on. Okay, first off, which is quite obvious, is the TFT, the display. As yours, if you have been following me, you actually can see that that in one or two videos that my TFT stopped working. It goes blank, but that was one time only. That was just once, yeah. And it was during a rain also, but I don't think it was the rain that contributes to it, because if it's the rain that contributes to it, then it wouldn't have started back up already, right? The display should be dead if it's the rainwater. So yeah, one thing, TFT meter, it dies, get it claimed from your service center or a dealer, then I think it should work fine lah. And I've seen in forum, actually the Duke 790 and also the Adventure 790 has the same problem as well. So yeah, I think this is universally can be improved by KTM. So yeah, that's one thing. Point number 2, paint quality, especially on the rim. Okay, I have this bike for 7 months now. No wait, yeah, already 7 months. It's less than 1 year old bike, and I've washed it about 4 times. And I noticed the wheel, the paints are coming off, you know. It's weird. It's so weird that the paints are actually coming off. At the beginning when I bought it brand new, it was super shiny, glossy, super glossy. Very nice paint. But over the time, I'm not sure if it's my washing contributed it to the problem and it becomes matte. It's weird. It's not supposed to happen. Even if I own it even if it's a 2-year-old rim, it's not supposed to, fade off, right? The gloss or the clear coat. It's just not supposed to happen. I'll show you in a minute.
Alright, here's what I'm talking about. It's supposed to be glossy, but it's actually matte. Here is what glossy is supposed to look like. And this is matte. You see the difference? Look at the highlights. Okay, this is matte, this is glossy. So the wheels previously, actually it looks like it's as glossy as the frame is, and now it's just matte. So yeah, but there are actually spots of it that are still glossy, the inner parts over here that is actually still glossy, but the outside of it, it's matte. It's just matte. So yes, the clear coat has been stripped off. So yeah, this is what I meant. Now this is glossy. This is the front wheel. This is glossy. Right? Look how glossy it is. So yes, it's matte over here. Help!
So far, it is only the rims that I have encountered this fading issue. The frame is still fine. Other than these two problems, honestly, I really can't find what's the problem with this bike. This bike is actually very good. I love it. I'm just, even if I nitpick also, not really that many things for me to nitpick about. Or maybe I'm just used to KTM. So I think these are basically it lah. Other than this, I really don't have anything else to say that I don't really like about this bike or things they should improve. Well, this actually proves that KTM is, it's quite a good bike. I love it. Really nothing much problem at all. I'm really surprised actually, because I was trying to think, before I had this idea of making this video, I was trying to compile, what else can I say about, bad stuff about this bike, or something that it's things that KTM can improve. But really, really nothing. It's just these 3 things that bugs me. So honestly, this is a very good bike. Love it, love it, love it. I really have zero regrets. Zero regret on this bike. Super awesome bike. If you're a beginner and you would like to have a Duke 390, go ahead. Go ahead. The only one thing that it's not good about this Duke 390 is highway. I mean, that is expected lah, right? It's a naked bike, it's not a touring bike. The wind blast is donkey. I should make a video of a highway review. Should I? I guess I should. Okay, cool. Thank you all so much for watching. Come on. Okay, like if you like this video, give me a subscribe, press the subscribe button if you love what I'm doing and you would like to support me. It greatly improve my mental health. Nah, just kidding. I love y'all. Bye. See you in the next video. Ciao. Oh, beautiful sky, beautiful sky. What a great way to start a day.